Yes, I'm at the Buffalo Chip right now, the Sturgis Buffalo Chip. We're heading into the amphitheater in a moment here, but there's the Bikini Beach, they call it, right back behind me there. But I'm heading to the amphitheater. Got to pick something up. There it is, the Wolfman Jack stage. Alright, let me show you what I picked up. Picked up a t-shirt here. Ride free, take risk. Legendary Buffalo Chip 2023 Sturgis. It's a limited edition Woody signature series. Alright, picked up a t-shirt. And you have to buy those online if you buy, you know, like a pass like that, a wristband. So, alright. I'm gonna head back to the amphitheater. Yeah, I didn't want to have to stand there and hold that bag all night, so I decided to go stick it on the bike. I decided to leave my leather jacket there too, so it kind of seems like it's not going to get too cold unbearably, so that should be okay with my short sleeves. So okay, heading to the amphitheater. Decided having a delicious, nutritious meal in the amphitheater now. Time to eat. The night is still young, so I'm not gonna go over stand there yet. I just decided to come back here and sit down, and later on I'll go over there and start standing for the rest of the night. Here it is, the Buffalo Chip Amphitheater. And it's over there where I got my slice of pizza.
Did this? You stand over here, about ready to do this?
Looks like I gotta get started up now.
You guys over here, about ready to do this? How you go? Rock and rollers right here in the middle.
I'll get closer later on.
I'm about ready to get this shit done. I'm ready to rock and roll tonight. I'm feeling good tonight. I hope you are too. Ladies and gentlemen, real quickly,
zoom on it, see if I can get closer.
Pete Rock Jr. Okay, you know Fake Rock, Pete Rock Jr. was up here for years. He passed me the torch. And I gotta say thank you to every single one of you for making me feel at home the past couple nights. It's been awesome. I did it last year. I'm doing it this year. I can never.
So they're getting started right now.
As happy as I can and spend as much love, as much energy as I possibly can, because that's
what it looks like right now.
To start this thing up, this is how I like to start out my show.
I think it's about 7 o'clock. I'm not. I forgot to look at the time again before recording.
Future. All the best of first responders, past, present, future. If you'd like to do a toast with me real quick, I'd appreciate it. Let's get this thing going our way. Ladies and gentlemen, here is to. Hold your glasses up, hold your hands up. That's all I'm asking, man. So, I'll be out there. Enjoy your show, man. Let's rock and roll.
Dirty blonde hair and her eye color is as dark as her soul. That is number 1 Raven from South Dakota. Her occupation, she is a pediatric dental assistant. And her height is tall enough to ride. Her measurements are 39, 28, 41. With blonde hair and baby blue eyes. From West Virginia and number 6, that's Gabriella Lynn.
buffalo chip.
This concludes our night here on the stage. What do you got?
Okay, I had to get over further away from where all noise and how loud it was and everything. But yeah, the buffalo chip. That was my first night at the buffalo chip for this year. And it was really quite something else. Quite an experience, I have to say. So that was Limp Bizkit that I saw. I'm not familiar with their music at all, but it was kind of cool to go to their concert just to experience it and see what it's like. But anyways, also one of my subscribers, my viewers, Owen, found me there. We happened to be standing near next to each other in the amphitheater there, so I'm giving a shout out to him. But anyways, I'm going to take and wrap up this video now, and thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.